It's for my people, yeah. Free all my people, yeah. All my people, yeah. It's for my people, yeah. Free all my people, yeah. Free all my people. We don't wanna chat until my people free. We don't wanna chat until my people free. We don't wanna chat until my people free. And we are gonna chat until my people free. You'll be famous for the wrong thing. Gossiping and fronting is a long thing. All that other nonsense is just fussing. And it's like living in a contest. Can you free us from this concept? Free us from the chains that you all in there. Government indulging in some incest. Ignoring all my people in our protest. It's for my people. Free all my people. All my people. It's for my people. Free all my people. Free all my people. We don't want to chat until our people free. Release all of my brothers on a weak church, please. You don't get to tax me on what God gave me. Paying for hypnosis of the TV screen. No. So much confusion onto my people. All disillusion, calling my people, and disillusion poisons my people, suppress my people, oppress my people. No.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'm joined by Sue Smith on the gantry. We're very much looking forward to this division rivals game. It's the Founders versus the Nutmegs.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. They've been in great form lately, looking so confident. You think if they play how they have been, they're going to be so tough to beat.
Now, this could be a chance here. And there it is! 1-0 already! So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again. And that's where it ends, with possession lost. Seemed a bit cynical, that. Surely a booking. Referee deciding to take a grip on this early on.
Well, he's going to be walking a tightrope for the rest of the match now. Just didn't need to do that.
18, Christian Eriksen, to be replaced by number 19.
That has gone out. It'll be a throw. And offside rules the assistant referee. Jude Bellingham. Now De Bruyne. Given away by Founders. Coming in field now. Looking for someone at the back post here. And it maybe just drifted a bit offline because it's the keeper's ball. De Jong. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Didn't get that quite right, it's a throw-in now. Grealish. Played over to the back post. Well, it looked promising, but the keeper has taken command of the situation. Nuno Mendes. Nwankwo Kanu. Kanu! And a vital interception to snuff out the danger. And simple for the keeper to just come and collect. De Bruyne. Drogba. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Musiala. And it crosses the line for a corner. A short corner taken here. The defence does its work. Players waiting in the centre. Joelinton. Beaten easily here. A chance yet to appear. Oh, crucial tackle to deal with the danger. De Bruyne. Jamal Musiala. Kevin De Bruyne. This has to be. Brilliant defending. Cleared away off the line. Well read to gain possession. Saïd Alaouira. Could be a chance! Well, in the end, it didn't give the keeper much trouble at all. And that could now come back very quickly. Didier Drogba. That's a nice forward-thinking pass. Musiala. The ball back with the Founders now. Musiala. Need to get tighter here, but that's where any chance of anything developing disappears. Bit of a squeeze on here. Joelinton. De Jong now. Looks a good ball. Just needs the composure now. It's there, and it's a goal. That's a real settler for them. 2 in front now.
I just wait by the door, don't know what I'm headed for. And if it's me and the beat, I'm keeping one on the floor. It's like a landline, always keep my hands stopped. Wonder how I like you and lie to you at the same damn time. What's up? Steady on the beat. I was numb, anything to breathe. Burns, baby, I'm only window shopping. No room in my pocket.
being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game, so hopefully it's a fast-paced, entertaining match.
This is how the Nutmegs line up. Andre Onana is in goal. Presnel Kimpembe starts alongside Lucas Hernandez as centre-backs, and they'll play with a lone striker up front. Looking to put the cross in. A terrific tackle. The chance has gone. This is the visitors' team for today. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Eder Militao in central defence. Kevin De Bruyne plays alongside Gavi.
Hang on a minute, guys, I think they're in.
And that was a real... chance, an early chance, but it's been missed.
It has, and he should have scored. He'll have to refocus now because there's a long time left in this game.
Number 19, Frankie de Jong.
Pablo Martin. Now De Bruyne. Well, he's a player that many have been talking about. Will we be talking about him for the right reasons today, though?
Well, if they play a high line defensively today, he's certainly going to exploit that space in behind. He's so quick, and then he's got that quality on the end, which makes him such a dangerous player.
Nutmegs pushing forward with options available. Diaby. Well, he went for power and got plenty of it, but it's whistled over the bar. It's on for the shot! But that hasn't worked out. Easily gathered by the keeper. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Moving forward well. And that's a shame for them. Nothing doing. Van Dijk. The Nutmegs have possession again. Joelinton. And the attack is over. Really good defending. The Nutmegs moving the ball forward with purpose. On he goes, terrific. Oh, top quality goalkeeper. To deny what looked a likely goal. And they can keep the pressure on with a corner. And it's a short one. Lucas Hernandez. Gianluca Vialli. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Reece James. Joelinton. Nicely played. And it's there! They have a goal! And they have the lead! And the game restarts with the score 1-0. Eder Militao. On to Mendy. Now Virgil van Dijk. Lovely ball, this could lead to something. Gavi, not forcing the issue, moving the ball nicely. And in the end, all that possession counts for little. And this could be, and it's in! The lead has gone in an instant, and we're all square again. Read the pass well and cuts it out. This looks promising from the Nutmegs. Oh, a great chance. They've scored! And that gives them a priceless lead. Oh, yes, all the practice pays off. Pablo Martin. On to Mendy. Play on is the referee's call. And that's that. The flag's up. Pele. Mendy. Diaby. Options available in the middle. Oh, good defending, just when it was looking threatening. And it's been missed. By quite a bit, actually. Not the best effort. Nutmeg's finding space on the flank. Delivered towards the back stick. And the danger is cleared. Promising looking ball. Having a look. Oh, it was a pretty good effort.
Oh, I thought that was going to be the equaliser there. It wasn't far away. Not a bad attempt, that guy.
David Neres. Ball taken away from them. Just needs the composure now. And 2 becomes 3 as he completes his hat-trick. A superb performance. Oh, that's not a good challenge at all. Card coming here, surely. De Jong. Can he finish? Having to stay patient here. Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. And we're off for the second half. James. And the defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing. The crowd urging him to shoot. Good passing, not looking to force it just yet. Beautifully weighted ball. And away it goes. De Bruyne. Players waiting in the centre. Diaby. Can someone attack this? Well watched by the goalkeeper, read the flight nicely. Mendes. It's taken a little deflection, now a throw-in. Mykhailo Mudryk. Lovely ball, this could lead to something. Mendy. Abedi Pele. Beaten easily here. And the goalkeeper has made it his. They're being afforded too much space here. It's a miss, but it was a good try.
It was a good try. It's not a bad attempt, that, and you just feel if they can get a goal, they're right back into this game.
Celebrating today from Grandad Stan and Gran.
Joe Linton. On to Mendy. And the ball back with Petr Cech. Well, that's pretty tamely given away. And there's the whistle as the ref gives a free kick. It's offside, and that will be that. Abedi Pele. And unable to retain possession. And that's a bad one. Just how bad is down to the referee. Lucas Hernandez. Gets past really nicely. Well, he really wound that up, but he was very close to scoring.
He's so unlucky not to score. I didn't think he'd shoot from there, but nearly got his rewards.
Well, can he get onto this? And it's offside here. De Jong. Said Al-Owairan. And he's being urged to shoot. Trying to carve out the angle. Brilliant challenge, but it's not away. And the ref has played advantage here. Counter-attack coming, away they go. But able to deal with the danger decisively, well defended. Taking this on. Sloppy in possession from Nutmegs. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over. Now for the finish. And it's in. What have we just seen? That's bordering on the...